Heartless cops hunt man who shot a woman dead, injuring her 5-month-old baby in the process. Good evening, and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, social media mania. Family members lash out after gruesome pictures of a relative's death are posted online.
Marooned rains bring woe and worries to St. Thomas.
Oil spill, pictures from the damaging event affecting Kingston Harbour.
And in the financial week, oil prices fall.
There's also international stories, bite of the week, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But first, the feedback question.
We're asking, will you be voting in Monday's local government elections?
You can also share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet @televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.